Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review this lamp that I got sent out for review. Let me tell you that this has industrial brushed gold finish on the top part, and the light bulb is not included. The mount, it is made of glass and it is pretty easy to install. Okay, so let's just start seeing what is included in the box. The glass, and then the base, all the tools that you need to install it, and let's just go ahead and install it here. Okay, so this is the base that we are going to be using so it can actually hold our lamp. Okay, once that we have put this and attach it very well to the ceiling, let's just start connecting our cables from our lamp. Okay, now that we have connected the cables, white with white, black with black, and the ground. Now let's just secure these cables and putting them towards the ceiling so you can actually hide them and put these lamp base attached to the ceiling. Once that you have the base and the cables hidden, just make sure that these two holes are matched with these two screws, and then you can proceed with tighten all the rest of the screws, and then you can just adjust them really well. And now this part, you will remove it so you can actually hold the glass, and you have to tighten it, but not that much because the pressure can hurt the glass. Okay, so this is how our light looks like, and as you could see, the installation was fairly easy, and it is a very simple lamp, and this is how it looks in our corridor.